Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you've just gotten your hands on a brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, you press the side button or the fingerprint scanner, you press and hold, and instead of getting the power off menu, you are being asked about Bixby. Well, in this video, I'll show you 4 different ways to turn off and restart your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The first method is you swipe down once and then you swipe down one more time. Here it is, press on this power button and now you can power off, restart, or place an emergency call. Now, if you want to remap this fingerprint scanner to the power menu or to this menu, all you need to do is from this screen, tap on side button settings. You will land on a page like this. Herein for press and hold, say power off menu. And now if I press and hold the side button or the fingerprint scanner, bam, here it is. You can see I am getting the options of powering off, restarting, or placing an emergency call from my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The next option to get this power menu is if you press and hold the power button or the Bixby button or the fingerprint scanner or the side button, whatever you want to call it, along with volume down. So I'm going to press and hold volume down and the power button at the same time. That should give me a little vibration. Bam, here it is. We are back on the power menu to power off, restart, or place an emergency call from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now, the last method is in case your touchscreen is not working. How do you force restart your Z Flip 5? Again, you press and hold the power button and the volume down button and you keep that position or keep them press and hold even if you are on the power menu, and eventually your Z Flip 5 is going to restart. So bam, there it is. You can see that the screen went blank and now the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 over here is restarting. And there it is, peeps. Those are 4 different ways of turning off, powering off, restarting, or remapping the Bixby button on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5.